In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import workflow in N8N. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor and how to bring an existing workflow into your workspace from either a file or a URL. First, open your N8N instance and head to the Workflows area. This is where all of your automations live. Make sure you're signed in to the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production. Importing a workflow doesn't change anything you already have. It simply brings a new workflow into the editor so you can review and use it. Next, click Create Workflow. Even though you're importing, starting from a fresh canvas opens the visual editor and gives you access to the options you need. Think of this as creating a place for your imported workflow to land. Once the editor is open, you'll see the toolbar and the empty canvas where nodes will appear after the import. Now look to the top of the editor for the three dots, often labeled More Options. Click that menu. This is a quick access spot for actions like duplicating, exporting, and, in our case, importing. If you don't see it right away, check the top right corner of the editor window. Inside that menu, choose the import method that suits what you have. If you were given a link to a workflow, select Import from URL and paste the direct link to a valid N8N workflow JSON. If you downloaded a workflow instead, choose the option to import from a file and select the JSON file from your computer. Most shared N8N workflows come as JSON exports, so if your file has a different extension, it likely isn't the right format. After you confirm the source, N8N will load the workflow onto the canvas with all of its nodes and connections. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. If the workflow references credentials, N8N may show a prompt or warnings indicating that some nodes need credentials linked. That's normal after an import, especially when the credentials don't exist yet in your workspace. Also, if the import doesn't appear as expected, double-check that the URL is accessible and that the JSON file wasn't modified or truncated. And that's it. You open N8N, created a new workflow to access the editor, use the three-dot menu, and import it from either a URL or a file. From here, you can review the nodes, make any edits you need, and get the workflow ready for your use case.